Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your domain name on Shopify. Now the first thing you want to do guys, of course, is to open your Shopify and then click login in the top right, and then let me do that. I'm going to log in into my account. Now next thing you want to do guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and what you want to do guys next, you want to search for something called here domains. Scroll down a little bit, okay, scroll down and then click on domains. Now after you are on this page, what you want to do guys next, you want to change the domain name. That's why you are watching this video. You want to change the domain name. Now you can either buy a new domain name or you can connect an existing domain name. Now if you have an existing domain name that you have purchased, you can click on connect and then you can put it here, okay, and then you can click next, and that's exactly how you can change the domain name. Or you can search for domain name here, search for it. After you find it guys, you can then connect it. Now there is another way to change the domain name. If you click on change, if you don't have a domain name and you only have Shopify domain name, click on change to a new myshopify.com domain, and here you have to put in the new domain and then click add domain. And that's exactly guys how you can change the domain name on Shopify. If this video helped you, I would appreciate if you can leave a like on this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.